Your phone battery is the heart of your device. Over time, it loses capacity, and that's why your phone doesn't last as long as it did when it was brand new. But how do you know the actual health of your battery without paying for expensive tools? The good news is, you can check it for free, right now, with just one simple app. On Android, download an app called AccuBattery. It's completely free and gives you detailed insights into your battery's health. After installing, open the app and head over to the Health tab. Here, you'll see the estimated capacity of your battery compared to its original design. For example, if your battery was originally 5,000 mAh but now shows only 4,000 mAh, that means your battery health is around 80%. The lower the percentage, the faster your battery drains. But that's not all. AccuBattery also shows you charging cycles, battery wear per charge, and even tips on how to extend your battery's lifespan. A quick tip: avoid charging to 100% all the time, and try to unplug your phone around 80 to 90%. This can actually make your battery last longer in the long run. For iPhone users, checking battery health is even easier. You don't need any app, just go to Settings, Battery Health, and Charging. Here, you'll see your maximum capacity. If it shows 90% or higher, your battery is still in great condition. If it's below 80%, you might notice shorter battery life, and Apple may recommend a replacement. So, whether you're on Android or iPhone, you can check your phone's battery health in just a few seconds, for free. This small habit can save you from sudden shutdowns, poor performance, and even unnecessary repairs. Give it a try today, and keep your phone running stronger, longer. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.